don't believe you. Just tell me the truth. The truth. Where are you in 24 hours? I cannot contact you.
I'm going to the moon. If you don't believe me, now go to into cemetery. Now shoot the ritso. I don't care if don't believe me because your kirkir and your lubot bas more kirkir more kurikongkoy la sirikongkoy koy. I'm going to the moon. Okay? Your mouth is very faster like a monster. If you stop your mouth because your mouth is very endorks. Wow, baho, kagwang ka.